Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and your factory trailer hitch is back here. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Cherokee on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.